vlog. This is Shivangi and today I'm gonna talk about hair. So lately I've been posting videos on travel and exploring new places, but then I thought to introduce few more genres to it. So from now onwards I'll be posting videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty and travel. So today I'm going to share a few things which you should avoid doing in order to protect your hair from damage. So हम एक्चुअली नोइंगली और अनोइंगली काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कर जाते हैं जिससे हमारे हेयर पे काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, बी इट स्ट्रेटनिंग, कर्लिंग एंड नॉट वॉशिंग योर हेयर वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. तो उससे आपको हेयर फॉल हो जाता है, आपके हेयर बहुत थिन हो जाते हैं, रफनेस आ जाती है. सो दैट इज वाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेयर. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर a few things which you should stop doing right now in order to protect your hair from damage. So the very first mistake you should avoid doing is to don't braid your hair very often, and also don't make very tight ponytail, because when you braid your hair you keep pulling your hair at the back, so you start losing your hair from the front. So it is not recommended to braid your hair every day or very often. You can try out any other hairstyles also. You can keep your hair open for some time, then for some time you can tie it loosely, or any other hairstyle you can do, but try not pulling your hair very often. Our hair is influenced by our lifestyle, the weather conditions, our diet and many other factors. The harmful UV rays of the sun can cause premature graying to your hair, and it may also arise few others hair concerns as well. But what's important is the new growth of your hair. So it is very important to concentrate on taking care of our hair externally as well as internally in order to protect our hair from hair damage and enhance the growth of our hair. Here comes the second mistake which we should avoid doing, is to towel dry our hair in a correct way. So when our hair is wet, it is in its most fragile state, and rubbing it vigorously with a towel can cause a long-term hair damage and cause your hair to fall out also. और हम क्या करते हैं ना, we just wrap our hair up in a towel, but we should not do that because that creates a lot of damage to your hair. So instead just dab your hair like this with a towel, and just that's it. Don't do anything else beside this. And the third mistake is not doing proper maintenance of your hair. So hair also need maintenance just like our skin, and especially when you have done keratin or smoothing or rebonding, then your hair needs a lot of maintenance. So for that, what you can do is you can try out some DIY mask, hair mask, and once in a while you can apply it, maybe once in a week or twice a week, whatever is convenient for you. So what I do with my hair is I have a DIY mask with me, which I use once in a week, mostly on Saturdays or Sundays, because those are the days when I'm available. So इसमें क्या करना होता है, you just have to take a banana and you have to blend it very well in a mixture. Then you have to छानो it, उसको छान लेना है एक bowl में. Add some curd to it, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well and apply it on your hair. You can also apply it on your scalp as well as on your tips. Like पूरे hair पे apply कर लो उसको. Keep it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. This will do wonders to your hair. I can bet on this, because banana is something which is very effective on hair. एक हेयर मास्क मतलब हेयर स्पा का ही काम करता है वो. सो इट्स वेरी इफेक्टिव. यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई इट आउट, एंड उसको अगर आप रेगुलर ट्राई करोगे तभी वो इफेक्टिव रहेगा. मे बी आप वंस इन अ वीक, आपके पास जैसे भी टाइम है आप उसको वैसे ट्राई कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास वीकली एक दिन अवेलेबल है, 15 मिनट्स के लिए लगाना, आपको बस और कुछ नहीं करना. आप एक दिन उसको लगा के एंड देन यू कैन वॉश इट ऑफ आफ्टर 15 मिनट्स. अगर आप 2 दिन लगा सकते हो तो 2 दिन लगाना इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. मेरे पास एक वीक का ही मतलब एक दिन का ही टाइम होता है वीक में जिसमें मैं इतना तामझाम कर सकूं. So इसलिए I do it only on Saturday or maybe on Sunday. Weekday I am not usually free, so that is why. But you can try 2 days at least if you have time, or else 1 day is also enough. The last mistake which you should avoid doing is to not having adequate amount of water. So water is something which is very important for our body. वो हमारे skin के लिए, हमारे hair के लिए, सबके लिए helpful होता है. So at least have 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. उससे ज़्यादा भी अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप कर सकते हो, but 3 to 4 liters is the minimum which you should take. So guys, that's all for my today's vlog, and now you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next vlog.